Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix proximity chat not working in Arc Raiders. If you're in a match and you can't hear players around you, this should help fix the issue. First, make sure your microphone is working properly, whether you are on PC or console. Check that you're not muted and that everything is plugged in correctly. Once that's confirmed, press start and go into settings. From there, head over to the audio tab at the top. The first thing to check is output mode. Make sure this is set correctly for your setup. If you're using a headset or headphones, set it to stereo/headphones so the audio routes properly. Next, scroll down to proximity chat volume and turn it up to a reasonable level. I personally have mine around 140%. If you're testing things, you can push it a bit higher just to make sure voices are coming through loud and clear. This next option is very important. Make sure enable voice chat is turned on. If this is off, you won't hear other players and they won't hear you either. Everything will be disabled, so double check this setting. After that, look for proximity voice chat. You can configure this however you prefer. I usually keep mine on push to talk. On console, push to talk is mapped to D-pad down, and on PC is the B key by default. Once these settings are set correctly, proximity chat should start working in most cases. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.